sometimes you just sit back and reflect on how much work you done put in, how much food you can actually grow on just a little half an acre plot of land. It is amazing. Some stuff will go your way, some stuff won't. But hey, that's life. Not everything goes your way all the time. Let's come out here and pick some gigantic figs this morning. Like I might have another one. Had a couple of them split because of the rain. I'm gonna take that one because so it don't split on me. Look at that. Open eye. Little honey dripping out. And on it. Hey, still edible. Look at the size of it. Big fig. Thinking these violets should be coming. Picked a couple brown turkeys this morning. I think these violets should be getting pretty close. Maybe I need to remove some of this foliage so that they can finish ripening up with the sun here. Maybe. Let's call those muscadines, y'all. They don't know when to quit. Oh my God. It just keeps pumping out. I'm gonna have to get in here and prune it. Just keeps pumping out new growth. It's what cutting, boy. It's almost never made it to the top this season. Probably would have had if I would have took that sheet right there off. We'll see. Blackberry just put them up a little bit better than what they was, but we'll have to redo that again. Don't want to have to go out and buy new stuff to make a trellis, but hey, these little papayas starting to come in their own. I might try to do something to protect them in the winter, so maybe they'll come back and give me some fruit next year. Come on out of there. My dogs, they always doing the most, boy. Come on. Same time, boy, crazy. I sat around and watched them play. They just run. I'm really considering putting that more blood orange in the ground. I gotta do something with all these fig cuttings, y'all. Look at them turnip greens. Oh my goodness. Boy, I can't wait for them greens. I'm gonna get out here and pick some this weekend. Now you can see I ain't covered it with tool yet, and as you can see, got some bug damage because I had on the cabbages. Green beans starting to come in their own. Hope they start setting pretty soon. Stop. Y'all getting too much now. Doing too much. Calm it down. Calm it down. Carrots starting to come along. Got some onions. Cabbages. Georgia collard's not performing too good. I'd rather have them turnip greens anyway, to be honest. Still got some good sized peppers, bell peppers. A few sun-gold tomatoes still coming on. A few beefsteaks starting to get ripe. That one I'm going to take. So far, that's what we got. We got a fig, sun-gold tomato, and a beefsteak tomato. Pumpkins is not doing good at all. I mean, they'll get that size right there and then just fall off like that. I don't think they get pollinated. I don't really know. But, I don't know what kind of tomatoes these is. The wife put these here. I don't want to say they heat masters. I think that's what she said, but I ain't seen them do much. I'm gonna keep on walking, see how everything else is going. My golden delicious, y'all think she got fire, but I don't know if it's fire blight or what it is, but she is not looking good at all. That Honeycrisp though, third season in the ground, it's looking, no, second season in the ground, my bad. But it's looking lovely, lovely. Oregano. That is my full persimmon right here, y'all. It never leafed out. Purchased it last year, it never leafed out this year. But I keep doing the scratch test on it, and it's still green underneath. So, I don't know. There's some lemon thyme. Some garlic chive, not onion chive. Sage just look like it's dying off. This big 4-year-old thyme right there. And you got some oregano, lemon balm. Look at that Rosa Sharon my wife planted earlier this spring. It was a little stick. Man, it's blooming and everything. It's looking good. I think we actually got that from Arbor Day. We always try to donate a little bit to them every year. You know, they send you a few trees. Golden delicious. I hope she's gonna be alright. And this right there is that Gala apple. That wasn't planted but a couple months ago. It's that little dwarf pomegranate right there that I planted at the beginning of spring. It's a little bitty thing. Supposed to be hard to charge on. We'll see. We'll see. We got some comfort. More comfort. A crab apple too. It comes from right here. It comes from Arbor Day. Another Musu Baju. A little seed grown lemon right there that I grew. I think it's gonna turn out to be a crab apple. There's a pomegranate right there. Pomegranate, I mean. Papaya. My bad. Comfort. Red Delicious. Come from Tractor Supply. It's starting to leaf out, but it's looking crazy. It might have some issues with some rust. But that's a Musu Baju right there. Another papaya. Seed grown. Arkansas black apple. Just planted a couple of them, maybe a month ago now. Some more garlic chives. Come on down, you got a little fig cutting. Quit, boy. Little loquat seedling. Trifoliage orange. Another Carolina Kings. And you got that vine plant right there. That's a blackberry. Then you got that mimosa that comes from Lady Cheryl's organic garden. Lady Cheryl's food forest. Come on down over here. It look like squirrels been getting a couple of my tomatoes. I can see them in the ditch right there. One right there. And these tomatoes right here. And that's basil right here beside it. These are beefsteak tomatoes. And they just now starting to set fruit and stuff good. Got way too many suckers on it I need to trim off. We're just trying to let these go. Most of the time we just train them for 1 central liter, but we just kind of let these go. So they weren't producing much, but look like they come in their own now. Some pears. My Keith pear. Isn't she beautiful? Pineapple pear, Mongolian pear, and the little baby down there going on in the second season in the ground is that Bartlett pear. Some hibiscus trees my wife just purchased. Put one. They ain't hard to got his own, so I don't know what she gonna do with them. I guess she gonna try to stick them in my greenhouse, but we'll see. Cucumber melons. My granddaughter loves these things. She comes out here and pick 20, 15 at a time. And just eats them. Like they about playing out now. If I can find one to show y'all what they look like. I know they call something else, but that's what we call them, cucumber melons. There's one right there. Little cucumber melon. She come home from school today, she'll tear them up. Won't be none left. Ain't seen that many of them. Seen a few more forming, but ain't seen that many that's harvest. That's ready to be harvested. And she don't care, she eats them when they're small. All the deck goes out here and it's be trimmed out. Yeah, and I was just walking around, inspecting, looking around. Figure I'd take y'all with me. Thank y'all for tuning in. Odoms. Today's well harvest. We got a couple Olympian figs. I actually had 4, but 2 of them split, so me and the dogs enjoy those. She's an open eye, the size of it. The other one's actually a little bit more riper. Ooh, he's soft. Brown turkey. Been getting a lot of rain, so it's been causing to split. And we got a couple maters. One little sun gold, and I think this one right here is a beefsteak. They feathering out now on tomatoes.